Hold up. In the beginning, it was only me and the gang. Introduced this country to drilling. All of a sudden they all wanna bang. All of a sudden they all wanna rap. Still singing, loop, rap. All of a sudden they all wanna trap. Drill, ching and shoot. Trap, drill, ching and shoot. They send my young G home same night out. I've got sent to the ER. They want that smoke, but all just choke that place. They puff that shisha. I don't post about drillings, I do them numerous times. That's why I got raw and news reports about all our fooders. Like, who the fuck are they fooling? Grab that stick, tryna hit that home run. If it asks about who we drill, then come on, but we got no one load. Evidence where they show us load. Testimony from no one load. We don't know about those ones. They look the part, but they poses no respawn when this game is over. Them boys some frauds. That side no good, like they don't ride for no cause. They some dogs. We done taking your mate, now come take back what he's yours. Sending shots, they drop and they crawl. That side call the cops when they fall. Us boys got no love for the law. We bend them blocks and ups when we walk. Shit don't stop, but people must eat. Got mouths to feed and people to sleep. We shoot shots and back about beefs and young ones round and circle your street. We say war, they hurdle like sheep. They come forth, we burn them in lead. Big 4-5, a burger in D's. We shoot, they duck like hurdles in streets. No bullet police. No way. Ducking and weaving the D's. No love for the enemy, leave them deceased. They send them our bros overseas, cause we bring the energy out of the streets. Still waiting on bros release. Trap, drill and repeat. Trap, drill and repeat till the drill is complete. Aye, aye.
Land of the Irish sun, under the sun, the struggling party. Mama Africa, a fighter for peace one day. With different colors, but one people. Oh, we thank you for the street reggae music. We thank you for reminding the world we shall hold our head high, follow your music, preach the message, nothing but truth in the world. Oh, Africa is you, Africa is you, and we give thanks to Jah.
In the beginning, it was only me and the gang. Introduced this country to drilling. All of a sudden they all wanna bang. All of a sudden they all wanna trap. Drill, ching and shoot. All of a sudden they all wanna trap. Drill, ching and shoot. Trap, drill, ching and shoot. In the beginning, it was only me and the gang. Introduced this country to drilling. All of a sudden they all wanna bang. All of a sudden they all wanna trap. Drill, ching and shoot. Trap. All of a sudden they all wanna trap. Drill, ching and shoot. Trap, drill, ching and
These gonks ain't earn a spot in this game. We make moves all day while I wave. There's too many times that we've gone the distance and knocked them back in their place. Don't get licky bars and they say, bridge up, you'll see the risk that I'll take. What's my day? Drilling the most, that's why there's half of us in that cage. You wanna spot me? Come and knock me. 27 gang, we're drilling them properly. Them boys, they be doing it softly. They hate, but then they all copy. Bad boys come my way, bad boys stay. One man play no game, fucking a bad boy way. Bad boys hate, bro took a bad boy's play. Order a keg at the bar, you up slow. Trigger a keg at the car. Just wanna get to the start, we're never far. We're working up at the start. Got me a heavy my bar, spending my bar. Ready for any my bar. I want the money my bar, look on my bar. Love it, don't look on my bar.
We thank you for the street reggae music. We thank you for reminding the world. Yeah, we are different colors, one people. Oh, one people. We are different colors, one people. Lucky we were
They talk about drilling, but this year they know we're winning. Come to the block, kick off, kick chopped. This beef won't stop till all of my ops get knocked. What? Think I'm a drunk? They try telling me up, let's do this. Nah. Only drill is for the music. What the fuck are you stupid? Fuck all the others. Bang for my brothers, go all the way and I swear on my mothers. If that's so one smoke, then we smoke and then my friends bangers. But I swear to God, they're all running. And I don't gotta take no trips no more. They can deal with my youngins. And they still come back and complain, telling me what the fuck is this running. But that's nothing new. Like, how am I much times do we ride in the up, got put on the news? And how much times do we step in the up, got sent to ICU? Anyone what, but one got knocked. Gang still out, trying to make that too. Really been out here since the beginning. It was only me and the gang. Introduced this country to chillin'. All of a sudden they all wanna